Hello everyone. I'm extremely privileged to welcome you guys on my official YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to do a research report for my subject ENGG 955, which is Engineering Research Method. The topic of my research is welding repair of dragline bucket in mining industries. My name is Pawan Chan. I'm pursuing Master of Mechanical Engineering at the University of Wollongong with the student number 7835899. Let's start the video. Welding. Welding is a fabrication process of joining metal pieces together by heating them above the melting point and fuse together. It provides permanent type of joint. Welding has been applied for the different industries like manufacturing, automotive, construction, and mining. Well, specifically, if we are talking about the mining industry is a fundamental sector of the global economy responsible for extraction of valuable natural resources from the earth crust in the form of raw materials. In mining, dragline bucket act as a backbone of mining industry. Here are some reasons why dragline bucket needs frequent repair, wear and abrasion, corrosion, and structural fatigue. Ultimately, these factors lead to either welding repair or new installation of the bucket. One of the welding technique is hard facing. Hard facing is a process used in welding to add a layer of hard and wear resistant material to the surface of the metal component to increase the component's lifespan and improving its performance in the harsh conditions. Chromium carbide overlay is the typical hard facing materials which we use in different sectors. This is the hard facing process. It starts with the selection of hard facing material. Common hard facing material are tungsten carbide, chromium carbide, etc. Next step is preparation of the base metal, cleaning of the surface to remove any contaminants, rust or scale. After that step, we go for the choosing the hard facing method, whether it is gas tungsten arc welding, plasma welding, or the arc welding itself. The last step of the hard facing is cooling and post processing. Here are some importance of hard facing, like it extends the service life of the bucket, increase the productivity and cost. Cost is very important for the dragline bucket, as we know that installation of a dragline bucket costs a lot. It is very efficient to repair it rather than reinstall. This is the typical hard facing process which we use in the mining industry, where we can see for the JCB bucket they have done it by the arc welding or submerged arc welding. Before and after we can see it in the figure. After going through the lots of research, I got to know that the importance of welding because it helps to restore the structural integrity of the equipment, extend the service life, etc. Here are some challenges faced by the dragline bucket like cracking, distortion, and brittleness. Pre-weld consideration is also very important in the mining industry for the hard facing. Several welding techniques can be used as we mentioned before. After going through the lots of research and the literature planner, I draw a research question developing a pathway to minimize wear and tear resistance in the mining industry. I came to conclusion that the wear resistant property can be improved by multi-layer hard facing. In this research design, they have implemented or they have deposited three layers of the different materials with the help of two different welding techniques like submerged arc welding and the flux cored arc welding. They have used the materials like chromium, manganese, titanium, and silicon. This is the microstructure for the flux cored arc welding and flux cored arc welding for the first layer and three layers. This is austenite dendrites we can see in the microstructure. This is the microstructure of submerged arc welding for the first layer and three layers. Here are some advantages of the multi-layer hard facing, like increase the wear resistance, tailor the wear protection, layer complementarity, optimize cost effectiveness, and better corrosion resistant. Though there are many advantages, here are some drawbacks as well, like complexity, expertise, thickness control is quite challenging for multi-layer hard facing. Like heat affecting zone is also very important to be considered in the hard facing. That's all for today's video. Any feedback will be considered with the full heart. Thank you very much for the guys coming to my video and watching it. Thank you.